Good evening, everyone. This is Tyva Littles, and in today's tutorial, I want to introduce this beautiful font called the Rainbow. And I actually created this, and you have to actually access some ligatures and special characters. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Okay, so I'm going to hide this because I'm going to do it all over again. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I have my font here. You see it's called the Rainbow. I'm going to type both of my words, happy and birthday. So once you've downloaded your font, and of course I've included a video in this classroom so that you can learn how to download your fonts to your computer. Once you've downloaded this font and you get it in and you upload it in Design Space, you type in what you would like to type in. Now over here I have something called Fontbook. And on your MacBook, how you access your Fontbook, you just go to your Launchpad and put in Fontbook. And it'll pop up like this. And you will use this software in order to access your special characters. On the Windows versions, you can actually use something called Character Map to do the same exact thing. So getting back to here, okay? Once I have my words typed up, I'm going to ungroup them like so. And I really like, this is Fontbook open right here. I really like these special characters down here. So we're going to use most of these. Like I really like this one for the H. So what I do is I double click and I hold down this H and I bring it over simply like that. When I do this, ta-da, oops, wrong thing. So I have my H and my D. And you want to piece it together really well to make it look, unique. When you have characters like this and fonts that include special ligatures, it gives you the freedom to create a unique design that doesn't look like anyone else's. So here's the Y. I just go over here to my font book, look for a Y. I like this one. So I just hold it down and drag it on over like so. And put it together. I'm looking for T's over here. I think I'm going to leave my T the same. Just kind of bring it over here. Maybe even make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to arrange this, send it to the back so I can grab this T. Like so. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to leave the R as is and bring it on over. Maybe even shrink it a little bit just so it could fit right up in there. And then the I, O, enlarge the B. Okay, it's a little different from the first one, but I actually like this one better. Okay, I did it with the other H, but I like that H better. Great. Okay, so now that I have my birthday almost how I want it, takes a little playing around. Okay, so I have that. Now I'm going to go to happy. Okay, with happy, I also want to change my Y, so I just double click it, bring my Y over, delete the old one, and I believe that's all I'm going to do with this one. So I'm going to just put my little curlies together like so. And enlarge this like this. There we go. And just kind of play around with it and kind of piece it together. And this will make a perfect birthday shirt. That H is a little big. See if I can make it a little bit smaller. Like so. Okay, and that's it, you guys. And then I just add my other little element that I picked up. And do it like that. And that is my design, you guys. How cool is that? Okay, so that's how you actually use this font in Design Space. These are all the different types of ligatures. I want to see if I can probably do another word for you guys. Let's try to do a name. Let's do Kennedy. Like how that looks. Okay, so what I'm going to do, maybe it's a happy birthday Kennedy. Let me hide this for a second. Okay, so I'm going to get this. I'm actually going to go ahead and weld it together so that we can get rid of all these separate pieces here. Okay, and then I have Kennedy here. And we're going to do the same exact thing. You're going to make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. Ungroup it. And then look at your letters. Now, I actually love how the K look. So what I think I'm going to do, instead of using a capital K, I'm going to lowercase it. So I'm going to get this K, bring it on over, erase the old one. Yeah, I really like that. Okay, so I have E, I'm going to leave E. I have N, like so. I think I'm going to probably change the second N. We're going to see how that works. Okay, double click. And take out the old one. Nope, that's not going to work. So let's double click it. And I'm going to change it to the other end. And then erase the old one. Like so. Yeah, I like that much better. There we go. Do we have a ligature for I, H-I, J-K, no. And in actuality, if I don't even want that hook on the I right here, let's see how it looks without the hook. Oh yeah, I even like that better. So as you can see, it actually takes some playing around with to get it how you would like it. Now, I actually forgot a letter. Talk about Kennedy. I'm going to take that, duplicate it. Ta-da! And now I have my name. And I'm going to select it and weld it. So that is all one part. So Kennedy will go on the back of the shirt, and happy birthday will go on the front of the shirt. So now we have our design. So that is our introduction to this font, the rainbow, which I really enjoy, and I look forward to using it in my future projects. So if you guys have any questions about how to access your ligatures over here, remember, for MacBook you can use Fontbook, and for Windows you can use Character Map to do the same exact thing that I've done. So give me some feedback on this technique and on this beautiful font, and I'll talk to you guys soon.